Getting someone to smile is a rewarding experience that can make both parties feel better. You can achieve this by telling a joke, giving a compliment, sending a handwritten letter, or giving a gift. If all else fails, your own smile can be a powerful tool. It's important to know your audience and tailor your jokes to their sense of humor. Following the rule of 3 can also enhance joke delivery. Rhythm and timing are crucial for effective joke telling, so practicing is key. Choose the right moment to tell your joke and consider the person's mood. Compliments should be specific and genuine, highlighting recent actions. It's important to acknowledge the person's character and express appreciation for what they've done. When writing a letter, use high-quality stationery and a fountain pen. Keep the content conversational and personal. Handwritten letters can be for both distant and close friends, with different topics and intentions.